Our integration with Smartly helps you to simplify your payroll management, improve accuracy, and stay compliant with legal requirements. Let's look at how to export a pay summary report from Fergus to upload to Smartly. Remember, you'll need to enable and set up the integration with Smartly first. In Fergus, start by clicking on the reports icon. That's the 3-bar icon in the top right. From the drop-down list, select Pay Summary Report. Next, choose your desired time period, week, fortnight, or month. Then, use the date picker to select the specific date range. Once your date range is set, click Run to generate the report. Carefully review the report to ensure all details are accurate. When you're satisfied, lock the time entries to prevent further edits. This ensures all processed time entries are secure. Click on the down arrow next to Download CSV. From the drop-down menu, select Smartly CSV Export. Finally, upload the exported CSV file directly into Smartly to process payroll. And that's it! With these simple steps, your payroll processing is ready to go.